So this is my 30k PC build. So take note guys that these parts are bought from Shopee and Lazada, so the price may varies on different stores. So let's go. For the processor, I use this Intel Core i3-10100F. It's 4 cores and 8 threads, so pwede na to for a budget price. For the motherboard, I option out with Gigabyte H410M H version 3. So the good thing about this motherboard guys, it supports the Intel chipset H510. For the graphics card, I use the Falit Storm X GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. So the reason why we bought this guys is wala talaga kaming choice for a better graphics card than the GTX 1050 Ti. Well, sucks kasi mahal talaga mga graphics card right now. For the power supply, here's the Gigabyte P450B 450 watts 80 plus broad. The good thing about this power supply guys is actually maabot namin yung 50% efficiency of the 80 plus bronze. Kaya mas tipid siya sa kuryente. For the RAM, we choose the Teclas 2x8 DDR4 266MHz 16GB. So perfect na perfect yung 266MHz sa Intel since hindi naman talaga overclockable to 3200MHz. So for the storage and the boot drive, here's the Teclas SSD. So the good thing about this one guys is mas durable siya compare sa HDD, kaya ito na yung pinili namin. And since editing naman yung software na gagamitin ni client, mas better na dito na sinasave yung mga video na na-edit. So for the fans, here's the Inplay Ice Tower version 2. So ito yung pinili namin guys kasi gusto ni client na napapalitan yung kulay, at the same time medyo budget lang siya. For the case, here's the PC Color LM200. So since hindi available yung Rock Halian na METX, ito na yung pinili ko guys kasi mas mura siya. So like Rock Halia guys, this is actually a door type for a 1300 case. So i-build ko na guys, papakita ko na lang yung result for the next video. So that's it guys.